Hello my dear ones, my name is Julia, and I'm so happy to have you here on my channel. Today, I'm sharing a gentle, simple tutorial, showing how I express breast milk using a manual breast pump. This is a small, but meaningful part of my daily care routine, both for myself and for my baby. I wanted to film this to support other moms who might find this experience helpful or comforting. First, I make sure I'm sitting comfortably and that I feel relaxed. That really helps my body get into the right rhythm. Then I take the pump, gently place it, and begin to squeeze the handle slowly and steadily. No rush, just moving at my own pace. I like to tune into my sensations, my breath. It helps make the whole process more soothing, even meditative. I enjoy these quiet moments where I can just be present with myself and this little ritual of care. Slowly, the bottle starts to fill. It brings a sense of calm and confidence, like I'm doing something truly nurturing. And when I feel like I'm done, I gently remove the pump and give myself a moment to rest. Thank you for spending this time with me. See you soon, my dear ones. May your days be full of warmth, care, and trust in yourself.